Hello, my lovely people. If you've been struggling to make the perfect filo donut, this donut recipe is for you. It's so easy and anyone can make it. We are using bread flour for this recipe. I'm just going to sift my flour into my bowl and get ready for the next process. Thank you so much for your love and your subscription. We just hit 11,000 subscribers. Oh, CB Screamy. Last month we just hit 10,000 and this month 11,000 as in. You guys are amazing. Now, add in your flour, add in your sugar, your nutmeg, a little bit of salt to taste. If you're going to be using salted butter, please take it easy on the salt. We are using instant yeast for this recipe, so I'm going to be adding it directly into my flour. If you are going for active dry yeast, make sure you proof in warm water before adding it into your flour. Mix all your ingredients properly, then we are using 2 eggs for this recipe. You cannot skip adding eggs to your donut recipe because your eggs gives your donut a very fluffy texture. Adding 100 grams of butter, please take it easy on your butter because if you add too much butter into your donut recipe, it's just going to come out dripping with oil after frying. After adding in my eggs, I'm going to add in my warm water, mix my dough properly, and get ready to knead. Oh, for this recipe, the kneading is where the wala is. Oh. But if you have music and you love dancing, you can knead for 20 minutes while dancing. You'll find that time passes very quickly when you knead while dancing. We are going for 20 minutes. After kneading, your donut should come out looking this smooth and soft. Trying the window painters, lift up your dough, and if it doesn't tear apart and you can see your light through your dough, then your dough is ready. Take your dough apart or set it aside. Grease your bowl with vegetable oil. Place your dough in there and allow it to proof for 45 minutes to 1 hour in a warm environment. If this is your first time of stopping by Debbie's Kitchen, you're so welcome. Have you subscribed? Consider subscribing to Debbie's Kitchen. Do like and share. Comment, tell me what you think about this recipe. And to my returning subscribers, all you guys are the best. We are just preparing our paper, our tray. So I'm going to be using kitchen baking paper. I'm just cutting out mini squares. I'm just going to place them on my tray. Then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of flour on this paper. So it just makes it easy to place my dough in there for the second proofing and just makes it easy for me to fry my dough without it getting stuck to my surface. After proofing, we can clearly see that our yeast is active because our dough has doubled in size. If your yeast is not active, this is the part you start crying for help because your donuts will not proof. But thankfully, our yeast is active. So we're going to get our dough together and weigh. This is where you need to weigh. You don't want one of your donut looking bigger than the other. You need to weigh your dough here. Now, I usually recommend between 70 to 100 grams, but I use 18 grams. So we used a little bit around the middle. This will just give us a regular size donut recipe that is perfect for family purposes, business purposes, or even commercial purposes. Pinch the bottom of your donut, roll on your surface to give your donut a perfectly round shape dough. After which, place it in your pre-prepared pan or tray, cover and allow it to proof a second time for 15 to 30 minutes, depending if you proofed it in a warm environment. Sprinkle a little bit of flour into your vegetable oil, and once it sizzles slightly, then you know it is ready for you to add in your dough into your oil after allowing your dough to proof for 15 to 30 minutes. Flip to the other side when one side is fully brown. Take it out of the oil, set in your tray, pan or platter, and these are the yumminess you got at the end of the day. Have you thumbs up this video? Have you subscribed? To subscribe to Debbie's Kitchen. Tell me what you think about this recipe. And if you love this video, check out this next video where I show detailed ingredients and measurements for various quantities of your Nigerian donuts. God bless you.